How to buy Cryptsurance token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So if you click on their website that includes index account, you will be redirected to this website because this token is under the pre-sale. So click on buy token here, and after that you will see this page to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do, you can read the project information for sure, and tokenomics, as you can see, you can read the phase 1, 2 to like phase 6 on the roadmap, and after that. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to connect your wallet, select your wallet from here. As you can see, in Phantom, they recommend it well. And after that, just click on it. After that, click on connect. And as you can see, our Phantom wallet connected to this preset page. Now, after that, as you can see, you can buy like the minimum these they provide, or like they said, the $100, this is the min, and the max, as you can see, it's $10,000. Now I will just type like 150, and after that, as you can see, you can now click on buy, and after that, as you can see, you can confirm. Now because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't proceed to buy this token for you. You need to fill your wallet with USDT or the currency that you want to buy with. Now, so that just proceed and you can buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy the Cryptsurance token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.